Are you waking up feeling sluggish, bloated, or struggling with intense sugar cravings? You might not realize it, but your body could be dealing with a sugar overload. Excess sugar doesn't just lead to weight gain, it can disrupt your mood, zap your energy, and even accelerate aging. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we're sharing the 7 best drinks to flush out sugar overnight so you can wake up feeling refreshed, recharged, and healthier. Can you really eliminate sugar overnight? While no drink is a magic fix, nature offers powerful ways to help your body reset. Let's dive into these sugar-flushing drinks and give your body the boost it needs. 1. Lemon water. A simple glass of lemon water can do wonders for your liver, your body's natural detox engine. Lemon juice is rich in polyphenols and vitamin C, which help lower blood glucose levels and improve liver function. Vitamin C boosts your liver's ability to produce glutathione, an antioxidant essential for breaking down excess sugar. For an extra kick, add a sprinkle of cayenne pepper or a dash of honey, just a little to keep the sugar intake low. Experts recommend drinking warm lemon water before bed to support overnight detoxification and wake up feeling refreshed. 2. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. Apple cider vinegar might not be the tastiest drink, but its benefits are worth it. The acetic acid in ACV slows down sugar absorption, preventing blood sugar spikes. Research suggests that consuming ACV before a carb-heavy meal can improve insulin sensitivity by 34%. To make it more palatable, mix 1 tablespoon of ACV with a glass of water and a touch of honey. Stick to organic, unfiltered ACV for the best results. 3. Green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins that support liver detoxification and improve blood sugar regulation. Regular consumption has been shown to increase metabolism by 4%, helping your body process sugars more effectively. Drinking a cup before bed allows these powerful antioxidants to work overnight, making you feel lighter and more energized in the morning. 4. Black coffee. Black coffee, in moderation, can support blood sugar regulation thanks to chlorogenic acid, which slows carbohydrate absorption and reduces glucose spikes. Studies show that regular coffee consumption can lower the risk of type 2 diabetes by up to 50%. Remember to skip the sugar in cream. Black coffee is most beneficial in its purest form. 5. Turmeric tea. Turmeric tea is a golden elixir packed with curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that improves insulin sensitivity. Curcumin also supports liver function, helping your body process sugar more efficiently. To enhance absorption, add a pinch of black pepper and a splash of lemon or honey for a soothing bedtime drink. 6. Cinnamon tea. Cinnamon is a powerhouse spice known for lowering insulin resistance and stabilizing blood sugar levels. Research suggests it can reduce fasting blood sugar by up to 29%. Brew a warm cup of cinnamon tea before bed to enjoy its natural sweetness and metabolic benefits, no extra sugar needed. 7. Ginger tea. Ginger contains gingerol, a compound that enhances insulin sensitivity and reduces inflammation, making it an excellent choice for blood sugar control. Chronic inflammation can interfere with glucose metabolism, so ginger tea helps keep everything in balance. Simply steep fresh ginger in hot water and enjoy a soothing, health-boosting beverage before bed. From lemon water to ginger tea, these 7 drinks offer a simple yet powerful way to support your body's natural sugar detox process. By incorporating them into your nightly routine, you can promote better blood sugar balance, improve metabolism, and wake up feeling revitalized.